Good morning. It's Monday, 21st October 2024. My name is Vijay. We will now look at what happened last week and what is likely to happen this week, specifically today. We will also talk about breakouts. Something interesting has happened last week, which may have its ripples this week. Before we go into breakouts, let us just analyze what happened last week, and then let us come to a conclusion about breakouts. This is what is breakout all about. So this was on Friday. Friday Nifty fell down, made a new low, put a lot of people into trouble. When a lot of people went short, as far as my knowledge goes, but it bounced back significantly because of Axis Bank and Wipro. Mid cap also ended its two-session losing streak. Remember, mid caps have done well, and Nifty Bank also did. I mentioned yesterday, Nifty Bank is the stronger of the two indices. Metals also did well. PSU Bank did well. Across the board, everything was up. But Nifty Auto did not do so well in the morning, but finally it recovered to close in the green. As I said, everything else did well, excepting FMCG, which closed down for the third consecutive session. FIs and DIs both equally matched. FIs still continue to sell above 5,400 and close to 5,500 crores. Then we have what happened overnight. Dow Jones closed almost flat. S&P did well. Nasdaq was the best of the lot. FTSE, for some strange reason, did not do too well, probably because of the FTSE is heavily weighted as far as oil stocks are concerned, and oil did not do well on Friday. DAX and CAC, of course, were bright. So what happened on Brent? Brent came down close to 2% and is trading the same way. WTI was also down close to 2%. The fun and games were in gold and silver, which we will discuss a little later. Metals also did not do great. So what the overall the week was, Nifty and Realty did well. Autos were down. Then FMCG was down for fourth consecutive week. ITC is looking extremely weak. Pharma, after a long time, closed in red, and Nifty Energy also declined for third week. Actually, last week was quite a bad week across the board. So Nifty hit a 1 month low. Basically, declines were led by Bajaj Auto. I suspect Bajaj Auto has made a temporary bottom on Friday. So you had oil and gas down, small caps. Small caps did well, actually, because of Angel One. So Nifty, PSU Bank finally closed in the green after 3 weeks. Financial services also did well in advance for HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank reported good results on Saturday, and ICICI Bank should report good results this week. So how did India perform? India performed poorly. If you look at it, we were down by about 0.44%. CAC, DAX, everything was up. Dow Jones close to 1% high, and FTSE was up 1.27, whereas DAX was the best of the lot with about close to 1.5. Hang Seng opened bright, but finally closed lower at more than 2% drop. Kospi was more or less steady. And then you had Nikkei, which also down close to 2%. S&P was up close to 1%, and Shanghai, of course, continuous bombardment by the Chinese authorities made it close better. So this week we have a BRICS summit, which is starting tomorrow, and that should do well for precious metals. And precious metals have already come into play as far as the BRICS summit is concerned. So I would like to put some more emphasis there. Before that, today we are having the GST Council ministerial panel, and they're likely to remove GST on insurance products. So the insurance companies should do well, I suspect, today. So that is as far as the last week and this. I mean, what we can expect this week. Now I'll show you some very interesting charts. Let's go to charts, and here we are. Okay, I've been saying that Nifty has done very well this year. This is a monthly chart of Nifty. So Nifty year to date is up about 21%. Not bad at all, even though we have come down significantly from recent highs. This is the low to, January 1st to last month's highs. So that is at 26,200 and odd. So 21%, good show. Now let us look at what happened in other cases. You take Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty better than Nifty, surprisingly. Slightly better than Nifty, but still better than Nifty at 23%. But then you see what happened to precious metals. Gold, which is generally not talked about, and which one of my second favorite commodity. Favorite, of course, is silver. Gold did 45% more than Nifty at 32% year to date. Now, the hero of the day, or hero of the month, hero of the year, close to 50% is silver. So silver gets the gold medal here, and gold gets the silver medal, and the bronze medal goes to Bank Nifty, and the fourth position goes to Nifty. So all of us are looking at only Nifty and Bank Nifty, but here is silver, which has broken out after 11-year high. The last time we saw that was in 2012. Actually, it is about 2013, which is, you can say, 11-year. It reached the high at around $50 in 2011. The way it is going, it's made a head and shoulder pattern on a monthly, on a daily, on a weekly. So we've seen 48%. I think we should see significant highs over a period of time. And I am expecting something like $44. Please note that we hold gold and silver, and we have been putting it in our family and friends account for quite some time. And also note that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I talk about is about our personal family holdings, and this is what I look at. So I think silver will continue to surprise on every decline. We are planning to buy. On Friday also we bought silver. So on rallies, declines, whenever we get cash, the first thing we look for is in silver. Now, interesting thing in oil, for instance, you'll be surprised that oil has done very poorly. We are talking of geopolitics all the time. If you see again from, it was about $74 in the, this is in UK oil, this $73 it was in early January. Now it is below that. So oil is actually down for the year. But we talk all of geopolitics and how it will affect us. So net, what we are seeing, silver is the strong man and the lone man out, followed by gold, followed by Bank Nifty, and followed by Nifty. Silver, we trade silver and gold through the ETFs, which are silver Bs and gold Bs. While I'm not recommending you to buy or sell anything, but just have a look at the charts of silver and gold and just follow them. You will find it interesting, especially after this BRICS summit, because you remember that Russia has added silver to their arsenal of commodities. Previously, gold was only the precious metal in the commodity basket which Russia used to buy, and now Russia has started buying silver too. So probably golden days are there for silver. So I am going bullish in the market today. I'm looking at banks, again buying silver today. Apart from that, I would also like to look at stocks like Bajaj Auto, Bata India. These may fetch us good returns. Dr. Reddy is another stock which I'm looking at. We already hold all of these stocks in our portfolio, but I would like to add more, or at least trade on the positive side today. So whatever you do today, hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.